is up, y'all? It is Breakpoint, and today we are going to show you how to make elote, and we are going to meet you on the stove. What's up, y'all? We are at the grill. It is a sunny, beautiful day today, and we're making elote. Like I said a second ago, what you're going to do with elote, all you're going to do is cook the corn in its husk right on the grill. Okay? Super easy. Make sure when you're cooking these, it's just charred on all sides, and then it should be good. Right now I have it on medium-low heat. I wanted to melt my lard and, season my griddle. These are actually really nice. I got it at Sam's Club, pretty cheap. If you're looking for a Father's Day present or you need a present for your brother, it's good little cheap thing to get. But like I said, we're just grilling these until they're charred, and we'll see you in just a sec. All right, folks, you see how these are evenly coated? Don't leave the grill, please, because if you do leave, it's going to burn on one side and you're going to have burnt elote. You don't want that, okay? Turn them when they look relatively this color, and that should be good. Try to get it even on pretty much all of the sides. And then when they're done, we will show you what it looks like. Okay, folks, so if your elote is not really looking too great or not cooking all the way on the inside, throw some water on it. It'll steam it very well. On the inside, it'll give it that extra cook that you need for the corn. All right, folks, that's what they look like when they're all ready. You see how they're nice and charred on all sides. We're going to take them in and we'll show you what it looks like when it's all plated up. All right, folks, now we're going to make the sauce that goes with the elote. So here I have 6 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Go ahead and throw that in. I got 2 limes that have been juiced. And then I got 4 teaspoons of chili powder. You can use Ancho chili powder as well. Throw that in there. And then I have chopped cilantro. It's about a half a bunch. Okay. Throw that in there and give it a good mix. This is going to taste delicious on your elote, by the way. Mix it until all of the ingredients are incorporated. Okay, you can cut it. Okay, folks, this is what the sauce should look like when you're all done mixing it. All right, and then we're going to peel our corn for you, and then we'll show you what it looks like when it's all put together. All right, so I have my peeled corn. This is relatively hot, so be careful when you guys are doing this. Go ahead and spread all of this on there. You want to do this while the corn is hot too. That way the cheese will melt. All right, I'm going to try to get everywhere. But for show purposes, I'm just going to roll it on the plate. And then you can take your Cojita cheese, or if you don't have Cojita cheese, you can use Queso Fresco. It's almost exactly the same. All right. And that is what elote should look like. And of course, we're going to do a taste test. Tortillas.
As well as the beans, as well as the rice.
All right, folks. We just tried our elote. Absolutely delicious. And if you want to check out our previous videos, we have a whole line of Mexican food that will pair very well with this elote, which is street corn. Absolutely delicious. All of it is good. We got enchilada sauce, taco meat, beans, refried beans, all of it. Spanish rice as well. It's also another good side to go with this corn. Definitely check them out in the description.